Welcome. Today we're going to break down 110.12b of the National Electrical Code. This rule is about ensuring the internal parts of the electrical equipment stay in top condition, free from damage or contamination. Let's dive in to understand what this means and why it matters. 110.12b focuses on the integrity of the internal parts of the electrical equipment. In other words, it's all about making sure that the inside components, things like wires, terminals, bus bars, and insulators, are undamaged, clean, and free from contamination. This helps keep electrical systems functioning properly and safely. In simple terms, this rule makes sure the internal parts of electrical equipment are protected from things that could damage or contaminate them, like dirt, chemicals, or physical damage. So, why did this rule come into existence? The answer is simple: to prevent electrical malfunctions and safety hazards. If the internal components of electrical equipment are damaged or contaminated, it can lead to serious issues such as electrical failures, fire hazards, short circuits, equipment breakdowns. By keeping everything clean and intact, this rule helps ensure that electrical systems are safe, reliable, and long-lasting. Now, let's break down the key points of 110.12b. No damage or contamination. The rule says that internal parts like bus bars, wiring terminals, and insulators should not be damaged or contaminated by things like paint. Paint can build up inside the equipment, causing blockages or affecting performance. Plaster, like paint, plaster can block parts or cause corrosion. Harsh cleaners, cleaners that can leave behind residues can corrode or damage components. Abrasives, scratches from rough tools can weaken the parts. Corrosive residues, any chemicals left behind after cleaning can cause rust or deterioration. No broken, bent, or corroded parts. The rule also emphasizes that parts should not be broken, bent, or corroded. Here's why. Broken parts, cracks or breaks can cause systems to fail or create safety risks. Bent parts, bent components like wires or connections can affect electrical flow and increase fire risk. Cut parts, if wires are cut incorrectly or have exposed copper, they can cause short circuits. Corrosion, rust or chemical damage weakens parts, making them more likely to fail over time. All this comes down to making sure that electrical equipment stays clean, undamaged, and functional to prevent issues like short circuits, which can cause fires or damage equipment, overheating, which can lead to equipment failure, breakdowns, where the system stops working entirely. Let's take an example to make things even clearer. Imagine you hire an electrician to install a new circuit breaker panel in your home. Here's how 110.12b would apply during the installation. Clean equipment. The electrician makes sure the inside of the panel is free from contaminants like paint, splatters, dust, or chemicals. No cleaners or plaster should be near the wires or components because these could cause damage or build up inside the panel. Undamaged parts. The electrician checks that all internal parts like the bus bars, the metal bars that carry electricity, and wiring terminals where the wires connect are not bent, broken, or corroded. Any broken or bent parts could cause problems and make the system unsafe. Proper handling. Electrician uses the right tools and procedures to ensure that nothing inside the panel is scratched, damaged, or weakened during the installation. If the electrician follows 110.12b, your electrical panel will be safe to use, no damaged parts that can fail and create hazards, reliable, it will work correctly and consistently for years to come, and long-lasting. Without contamination or damage, your system will perform well for a long time. In simple terms, 110.12b ensures that the internal parts of the electrical equipment stay clean, undamaged, and in good condition. This rule helps prevent short circuits, overheating, and equipment failure. By keeping everything in top shape, 110.12b ensures that electrical systems are safe, reliable, and durable, and that they perform in the way they should without any unexpected problems. So there you have it. 110.12b is a key rule to make sure that internal parts of an electrical equipment are protected from damage and contamination. It's all about safety, reliability, and performance. By following this rule, electricians can make sure that electrical systems last longer and work properly without any hazards.